5 AI tools that make you money while you sleep. It is a complete step-by-step guide. What if I told you there are AI tools making people more than $500 per month on autopilot? No experience needed, no upfront costs. And yes, it actually works. But here's what most people don't tell you. There's a right way and a wrong way to do this. I'm about to show you 5 AI tools that can start making you money today, plus the exact step-by-step process I wish someone had shown me when I started. Hey Clickable Cash family, if you're tired of trading time for money and want to build something that works even when you're not, this video is for you. I've spent the last 6 months testing every AI money-making method out there, and I'm going to save you months of trial and error by showing you exactly what works. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are real AI tools with real people making real money. And I'll prove it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT plus content creation. First up, ChatGPT for content creation. Here's what everyone gets wrong. They think that A, I can just replace them completely. Wrong. The money is in being the smart middleman. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Write a 1,500-word blog post about, example topic for small business owners. Include 3 actionable tips and make it conversational. Step 2. Edit it for 15 to 20 minutes to add your personal touch and fact check. Step 3. Deliver to clients on Fiverr or Upwork. But here's the insider secret. Don't just offer blog posts. Create packages. I call it the content triple threat. 1 blog post, 5 social media posts based on that blog, plus 3 email subject lines. Charge $150 to $300 per package instead of $50 for just a blog post. Sarah from Texas started this exact method 4 months ago. Month 1, $400. Month 2, $1,200. Month 3, $2,800. Month 4, she quit her day job. The key? She specialized in fitness content and became the go-to AI content creator for gym owners. Pick your niche, own it. Tool number 2, Midjourney plus print on demand. Midjourney for digital art, but we're going deeper than just upload and pray. Here's my proven strategy. Step 1, research trending niches on Etsy and Amazon. Look for products with 100+ sales but mediocre designs. Step 2, use Midjourney with specific prompts like minimalist cat silhouette, black and white, clean lines, suitable for t-shirt print, white background. Step 3, create 10 variations of winning designs. But here's where most people fail. They upload randomly. Instead, do this. Create design series. If cats are trending, make Sassy Cat Collection, Minimalist Cat Series, Funny Cat Quotes Bundle. This increases your chances of appearing in search results. Platform strategy: don't put all eggs in one basket. Upload the same design to Redbubble, TeePublic, Amazon Merch, and Etsy. Marcus figured this out. He was making $200 per month on just Redbubble, but when he expanded to 4 platforms with the same designs, he hit $800 per month. Same work, 4 times the income. Pro tip: create seasonal content 3 months ahead. Christmas designs in September, Valentine's in November. This is when you capture the most sales. Tool number 3, Copy.ai plus email marketing. Copy.ai for email sequences, and this is where the real money is hiding. Everyone's selling email copywriting services, but smart people are selling email marketing systems. Here's what I mean. Don't just write 1 email. Create complete automated sequences. The Welcome Series Goldmine, 7 email sequence that introduces new subscribers to a business. Email 1, welcome and set expectations. Email 2, founder's story. Email 3, most popular product or service. Email 4, customer success story. Email 5, common mistakes people make. Email 6, exclusive offer. Email 7, community invitation. Use Copy.ai to draft each email, then customize for each client's business. Charge $500 to $800 per complete sequence. That's more than $70 per email, and once you have templates, you can adapt them in 30 minutes each. But here's the multiplier effect. Offer an email marketing audit for $100. Review their current emails, identify gaps, then propose your $500 sequence as the solution. Jenny does this and books 3 to 4 audits per week, converting 80% into full sequence orders. That's more than $1,600 weekly. Tool number 4, Jasper plus course creation. Jasper for online course creation, but we're not just making outlines. The real opportunity is in Course in a Box solutions. Here's the system. Use Jasper to create a complete course structure. Learning objectives, 8 to 12 module outlines, quiz questions, homework assignments, and even marketing copy for the course. The prompt I use. Create a comprehensive online course about an example topic for beginners. Include 10 modules with learning objectives, key points, practical exercises, and assessment questions. Make it actionable and results-focused. Then package it as a complete solution. Course curriculum, marketing materials, email sequences to sell the course, even social media posts to promote it. Sell this course creation kit for $200 to $500. But here's the advanced play. Partner with subject matter experts. They have the knowledge. You have the AI skills to package it properly. Split the profits 50-50. David did this with a nutrition coach. They created 3 courses together, and each course makes more than $2,000 monthly in passive income. Target audiences: fitness trainers, business coaches, consultants, anyone with expertise but no time to create structured content. Tool number 5, Notion AI plus digital products. And this is my personal favorite because it's infinitely scalable. Everyone talks about templates, but smart people create productivity systems. Here's what sells: complete life management systems. Use Notion AI to create interconnected dashboards, budget tracker that connects to goal tracker, that connects to habit tracker. The prompt formula: create a comprehensive and example life area management system in Notion with multiple interconnected databases, automated formulas, and beginner-friendly instructions. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just sell the template. Create the transformation package, template plus video walkthrough plus 30-day challenge plus private community access. Charge $47 to $97 instead of $7 for just a template. Lisa started with simple budget templates at $5 each. Now she sells complete financial freedom systems at $97 each and makes more than $4,000 monthly. Same amount of work, 20 times the price point. Scale strategy: create template variations. One productivity system becomes student version, entrepreneur version, parent version, remote worker version. One creation, multiple income streams. Before I wrap up, here are 3 game-changing tips that separate winners from wannabes. Tip 1. The AI detection problem. Clients are getting smarter about AI-generated content. Always run your AI output through tools like Quillbot or Grammarly to humanize it. Add personal anecdotes, current events, and your own insights. Tip 2. The portfolio power play. Before you start selling, create 3 to 5 sample pieces for your portfolio. Use these to land your first paying clients. First impressions are everything in the online world. Tip 3. The automation amplifier. Use Zapier to connect your AI tools with your business tools. When someone orders on Fiverr, automatically create a new project in your task manager. When you complete work, automatically send follow-up emails asking for reviews. Work smarter, not harder. Call to action. Here's your homework. Pick one of these 5 methods and commit to it for the next 30 days. Don't try all 5. That's the fastest way to fail. Master one, then expand. If you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I drop detailed tutorials like this every week. Comment below with which method you're starting with, and I'll personally reply with my best tip for that specific strategy. Remember, the internet doesn't sleep, and now your income doesn't have to either. The only difference between you and people already making money with AI is that they started. Your time is now. See you in the next one.